Let me. Okay, script. And what we'll do today is instead of declaring
Variable A.
yes a string, what I'll do is I will declare.
ये तो blank नहीं होगा.
Just wait.
Oh. Uganda. Sir, आप अफ्रीका से तो दुबई.
हाँ.
निकल है. Oh, we do have nickels.
Okay. So. Now listen, this is important. If I simply write A and if I hit F12, if I view this, obviously I'll get the following. Obviously, it's common sense. Because what I'm doing is I have declared an array. The important thing now is the difference between your arrays and your variables is you might have noticed I have used square brackets. Your databases always have square brackets. Array is basically a database. It holds lots of strings within it. String has characters. Arrays will have strings within them. Can you see that? And all these strings are separated through commas. I am not talking about application of arrays right now. Yes, we will do it once we validate our checkboxes for our questionnaires. This is the reason why I had to continue, because we have to start validation of our checkboxes and radio buttons. So in order to do that, you should have an idea of arrays. Why is it important? Because in your radio buttons, in your questionnaires, when you select one out of the 6 options, in HTML and in JavaScripting, जो options आपकी होती हैं, options 1, 2, 3, 4, they are considered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in an array. तो उसको हम फिर जाकर डिक्लेयर करेंगे. This probably will happen probably on Monday. हम इसको करेंगे. अभी let's just talk about the different methods that are available in arrays. After this, we'll discuss today the 3 kinds of loops that we'll be working with: the for loop, the while loop, and the do while loop. I will stop after this and I will give you some activities to do. Okay? No, activities you have to do and give. Show me the output. 5. I know. Okay, right. Now, if I do this, and obviously over here I write 0, and if I preview, I will get is this. This means if I
And if you write these strings,
the strings लिखोगे ना, all these strings need to be in, because strings are user defined. That's the answer. Strings are user defined, they have to be in double quotes. If they were numeric figures, if they were 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, I wouldn't put them. The double quotes will distinguish a string from a number, a numeric from a string.
from
G. Now basically what's happening is, if I obviously display an output of this, what's happening is index starts from 0 and I am basically doing what? I am displaying these out. Obviously if I want to add a line in between, all I do is I put a comma, I put double quotes, and over here
Line.
I can put BR, because BR stands for break rule. Okay? It doesn't mean you break the rule. That was again lame. Okay, sorry. Okay, right. So here you go. You go to the next line. इसकी तरह, please listen.
आपने O levels भी किया था.
इसी तरह you can replace. Yes,
डॉक्यूमेंट राइट ए करके हम खाली सारे डिस्प्ले करते हैं और फिर बीच में लाइन.
I was pretty sure you will ask me that question. मगर no. As we continue further, you will get to know the advantage of this. I agree with you.
Advantage of what?
Why am I displaying? Shh. Our question was, why do I need to display it like this? We are not talking about that. Let's today just try to learn what arrays can do. I said, iski application, the advantage, we will be discussing the next lecture. Okay? Obviously, there's a lot of advantage of this. Okay, so now, if I preview this, I will get a line between, because HR means horizontal rule. You get the point?
Yeah.
Okay, so horizontal rule. Let's talk about some methods if this is clear. Okay, I will be uploading this video, so there's no issue. You don't have to note down things. Now what I'll do is, we'll just talk about some of the methods, not too many methods. अगर मैं कहता हूँ a dot reverse, it's a method, and if I
उल्टी लिस्ट देगा.
exactly, so you have is the nigger land coming first. Okay, that's not racist. That's not racist. Okay, ठीक है? That's not racist.
How is it racist?
How is it racist? Exactly. So
He's not saying black land.
yes. Okay. So sort. If I write sort, and if I preview, what happens? Yes, it's sorting. Now the important point. It's sorted in your ascending order. Now there is nothing.
Descending में अगर डालो.
Yeah, that is big issue. क्योंकि there is nothing as unsort. There is no method as unsort. So what we can do is, what is good,
reverse.
very good.
Thank you.
Roha, you are intelligent.
You find that out after 4 years?
Yes, after 4 years. You got the point? Anyone has a confusion? Now these are the some points that you have to see on your own. Charger is not. It's out.
Oh, हमारी वीडियो खत्म हो गई.
No. Video नहीं खत्म हुआ.
सर ये सब कुछ जब आप करा लेंगे तो हमसे ग्रामोथॉन की वेबसाइट बन जाएगी.
If you're doing this for Gramothon website, no. नहीं हो जाएगी मगर obviously.
नहीं क्योंकि वो बड़ी वो कॉम्प्लेक्स होती है उसमें नीचे टाइमर भी लगा होता है.
Okay. Let's continue. Shh, leave this. So we have discussed sort. We have discussed sort. Appreciate Binish. Very good. You're really considering really well today. I appreciate that. Good. Yeah. Okay. So sort reverse. ठीक है? Right. We can have more. We can use a property length to find out the length of the entire
Number
array.
of words.
This could be important. We could use
वर्ड्स की क्यों बता रहे हैं?
नहीं
क्योंकि
words
तुमने कॉमा से सेपरेट किया ना वर्ड्स कैरेक्टर्स नहीं सेपरेट किए.
क्योंकि array story वही करता है जी. And then you can have obviously is your slice. Yes. So it starts from 2. Any problem? I can slice from 2 to 4.
सेकंड थर्ड आएगा.
Yes. Any problem?
No.
It is just like the substring we used in our strings. So we have slice over here. ठीक है?
हार्ट है. आप चंक दे देता है ना
देखो.
आपको थोड़ा सा.
Go to the second index and start slicing from there and go till the fourth one. Okay, so include the second and third one, but don't include the fourth one. Fourth one is not included.
like
हमने डिस्कस किया था सबस्ट्रिंग में भी याद है आपको. Last वाला include नहीं होता. 2 4 means 4 will not be included. Remember that? Yeah. This is why please try to experiment and practice on your own. I'll just give you the printouts. First you can practice substrings, then arrays, then you can do the activities. But you have to practice because you can't keep on forgetting all this. ठीक है? Okay. We have the slice, we have the sort, then we have is I just forgot. Yes, we remember we did the index of. Do you remember that?
Yes. वो position बता.
I want to find the index of you.
Uganda. It will tell you the position of Uganda.
Yes. It's 2.
0 1 2 yeah.
Yes. This could be important in our future work. I would like to probably at times find out the index number of something.
In a
This could
list,
be
for
important.
example.
Yeah. Index of the same हमने वहाँ strings में भी use किया था. Same वही method use कर रहे हैं कोई ज़्यादा add. There is another one that I remember is the fill in.
Fill in.
Okay,
Sir,
wait.
the spelling-
No. I have a list that I made. No.
Circle list में मिलेगा.
Variable and string.
Hmm?
इंशाल्लाह आज मिल जाएगी. Variables and strings in Java last वाली है.
It's not that one.
I think sir आपकी वीडियोस से हमें पता चल गया हर चीज कहाँ पे है. आपके
सर आपने फोल्डर्स के अंदर फोल्डर्स के अंदर फोल्डर्स के अंदर फोल्डर्स के अंदर फोल्डर्स के अंदर
Because that makes you organized.
I swear so many folders just makes it confusing.
No, it does not. So, let's refer to this, okay? I made this for
Haji Shoaib.
yeah. They're my students.
Sleepy Daud.
Yeah, he is sleeping actually. Okay, fine. So, slice कर लिया हमने, length कर ली, concat obviously.
वो हमने किया था.
नहीं concat हमने इसमें किया था, strings में किया था. If you can look over here, मैं explain करता हूँ. Yeah, do I have to type? I declared another array b, and all I'm doing is b dot concat a. I could have simply done was b plus a, would have done the same thing. But there is a reason that you should know that concat does exist, because I told you in the previous class, you might have a situation where you are adding as well and you want to concatenate as well, because plus sign will behave as addition, at the same time it will behave as concatenation. You get the point? So please try to remember that plus is not only to
One
concatenate.
concatenate to plus 36.
Yes, exactly. So concat भी exist करता है. Try to remember that. Okay. Okay. Do I have to type and show it to you? It's fine. Okay. John Sunny होगा, मैं type करके बता दूँगा.
So it
Reverse.
joins the letters in the same.
Yes, I was. Join will do this if I use join. So what I can do is I can write over here is join, and I can join this by plus. Now if I preview this, I will have
बीच में plus आएगा कम. कुछ भी नहीं आएगा.
nothing.
क्योंकि सर का कंप्यूटर फंस गया है.
No.
सर ने एक्स्ट्रा ब्रैकेट डाल दिया है.
So I will have plus in between.
कॉमा
ठीक
की
है?
जगह.
Right?
और आपने किसी क्या मेथड बताया?
Join. Join. Okay.
सर अगर हम प्लस की जगह कुछ और डालते तो
Any.
वो बीच में आ जाता है।
Any correct.
स्माइली
Anything.
डाल दो.
Smiley face डाल दो.
Anything.
Smiley face डाल दो.
हाँ? How would I put that? अच्छा. Sort हो गया. Fill. Fill is also important. Please have a look. You might be saying क्यों जूरी होगा? जूरी हो सकता है. मैंने fill in कर दिया था.
Fill in.
मगर fill क्यों नहीं हुआ? It should have. Anyway. Fill with ID.
IT. What? सबको replace कर दिया IT
Yeah,
से.
it's replaced. वैसे fill frankly should have been the word replace मगर. Okay, anyway.
मगर
Um,
क्या कर सकते हैं?
forget about.
Pop method. Pop.
No, leave it. No. Last
What?
index of.
Pop.
No, I'm not discussing those.
Last index is जो last.
Yes.
क्या?
I am leaving some of them. Yes.
What's unchecked
Okay.
method?
Leave it. There are 4 methods जो मैं भी discuss नहीं कर रहा. I don't want to. There's no point. We'll discuss in A2 when we revise. अभी नहीं मैं कर रहा. अच्छा. If you have, I will just give you a printout. Can we discuss now loops?
Of course.
Okay. There wasn't much in arrays. The only thing you need to remember is if you want to create a database where you will be holding lots of strings, you will use an array for that, first of all. And we have discussed 4 to 5 different methods of arrays. Just keep those in mind, because these will be used in your further validation process जो हम discuss करेंगे with our radio buttons and checkboxes. ठीक है, क्योंकि इसके बगैर वो नहीं हो सकता possible. Okay. What I'll do now is
Variable A equals. आ गया बात से? ऊपर ही लेके जाता.
ले जाओ बिल्कुल ले जाओ. ठीक है.
सिर्फ बस अब हम आपकी बर्थडे पार्टी करेंगे. मार्च 8 नहीं मैं बताती हूँ.
8 March है.
8 मार्च.
Women's Day. Yes.
आपने ग्रुप 1 ग्रुप 2 पीडीएफ लाए तो सर
Excuse me. You mean we fought for our rights and we got ourselves a pizza? We fought. We came for more classes.
This is important. सुनो सुनो बेटा बात सुनो. While loop, do while loop, and for loop. Why are they important? Why do we need? Whenever we have to execute some commands, till no, I've resumed. For example, I would unless and until if I close Windows, if I close this, it will ask me to save it. It happens through a loop. A loop will run in a specific number of times जो हम define करेंगे. It's very very important to have a good understanding of loops when you start with any programming languages. And if you get the concept right now, you will be able to get in Python or any other language. So problem नहीं होगी C++.
That's what?
Now let's see. What I'm doing over here is I've declared a variable a is equals to 1. Roha, suno beta. While it has its condition defined within the bracket.
Less than
Okay?
10.
Yes. It's a condition. While a is less than 10, please perform the following action. Fine. So what we'll do is it will see variable a is equals to 1. Fine. While 1 is less than 10, the statement is true. If the statement is true, it comes within my code block and it executes my code block. When it executes my code block, it says a plus 1. A plus plus means a plus 1. This means 1 plus 1 plus 1, 2. वो वापस जाता है, वो देखता है कि 2 is less than 10. वो again statement true है and it still prints it out. A time will come when a becomes 9. So 9 भी काम करेगा. A time will come when a becomes 10. 10 is not less than 10. This means it will come out and it will stop the loop. So this is why when I print this, I get the following thing. You get the point.
9 let's start.
जी बिल्कुल. That's how a loop works. So you can define your own way. You can define
is
कहाँ से start
repeating.
repeating. And it's very important to learn this. When do you want it to repeat? How many times you want to repeat? From where should it start?
Like the time it only showed the first E and we wanted the numbers and positions of all the E's.
Exactly. Have you got this one? Sorry,
The
beta.
letter E. In a sentence, can we do that?
Yeah, we can do that. No. It will automatically end. When the condition is met, this means it will not execute the code block. The code block is only executed when the condition is true. ये अपनी बात याद रखनी है. If you're surely clear about this, I can discuss the do while.
The do what? I do.
हाँ मैं बताता हूँ. Because we are talking about loops. मैं चाह रहा हूँ कि हर बार कंडीशन को चेक करे और हर बार इंक्रीमेंट करे by 1 ना. This is what loop is all about. I want it to increment. I want it to execute. ठीक है? अच्छा, let me just make some changes to this.
Same reaction.
Now you might be look over here. What I've done is while variable a is 1, do the following thing: increment and then go and check while the statement. But you might be saying, "Iska fayda kya hai?" Yeah, it's not compulsory that you have to use this over that, but iska sirf ek fayda hai. Over here, if I say a is equals to 12, okay, it will come here and it will print this at least once. और फिर वो जाके चेक करेगा, oops, no, 12 is not less than 10. मगर इशू ये है कि एटलीस्ट एक बार प्रिंट हो चुका होगा. इन either case, that our previous case जो ये था, मैं I'll repeat again. ये this was our while loop. ठीक है? Agree with me?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll do the same thing.
And no. No.
Yeah, why? Obviously ना, देखो, it says कि variable a is 12, फिर वो check करता है कि 12 is less than 10, fine, sorry, no, I can't execute it. Ends.
आपने पैरामीटर पहले लिखा है ना?
जी.
Requirement.
So do while जो है, it's at least helping you. At least once your command will be obeyed, and there will be some circumstances where you would want के कंडीशन मीट करे ना करे, एटलीस्ट एक बार उसको एग्जीक्यूट जरूर करे. So there you use the do this first and then check
get
it.
the parameter.
Yes, that is the major difference, and this is why at times we should know how to use it. Is it clear? Okay. Like I said, it's not important that you will be using all the loops within your program. It's up to you which one you want to use. I have another one, which is the for loop. The for loop basically works this way. I will define is, let me remove this. For a is equals to 1, a is less than equal to 10 कर देता हूँ, and also a plus plus, and I'll write over his document dot write.
तो वो तो डॉट भी डालते हैं.
क्या बेटा?
सेमीकोलन.
You get the point?
Hi there.
It's very easy. If you want to add a break, put a comma, double quotes, and over here you can put BR for the break rule.
वो नीचे आ जाएगा.
Yes. अब बात यह है कि मुझे BR को I have to put in double quotes because I want my scripting to recognize HTML. That's why I'm putting BR within double quotes. This should have been a question from you कि मैं क्यों डाल रहा हूँ? What happened?
A is equal to 1, A is less than equal to 10. So how is that related to hide there?
वो कह रहा है अगर आपका वेरिएबल a 1 है और 1 वेरिएबल a 10 से कम है, यानी कैपिटल 9, तो वो 9 टाइम्स hey there शो करेगा.
अच्छा वो hide there. What is A plus 1?
A plus 1. You can do A plus 2. You can do A plus 5.
A1
फिर वो हर 5 की गैप से करेगा.
1.
मगर इंक्रीमेंट इज 1 नॉर्मली. आप वो भी कर सकते हो.
Is 2 less than 10, and if it is, तो वो hide there.
Tutorials by Roha. Got it?
If it's 5, जैसे A plus 5 हो तो फिर और A से 1 to 5.
Exactly. बिल्कुल. मगर इंक्रीमेंट का जो बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट है that is 1. Okay, there will be rare chances where you would like to do that. So क्या किया? मैंने क्या किया? ओह, मैंने डॉट लगा दिया ना. इट्स अ कॉमा. राइट?
तब लगाते हैं जब आप एक और फंक्शन ऐड.
मेथड. वेरी गुड. जब हम मेथड को यूज करते हैं तब हम डॉट लगाते हैं, या जब हम किसी प्रॉपर्टी को यूज करते हैं तब हम डॉट लगाते हैं.
और सेमीकोलन ये
हाँ.
जो है वो कब लगाते हैं?
वो फॉर लूप में यूज होगा. अब फॉर लूप में यूज होगा. देखो, it totally is up to you which loop you are comfortable with.
For a while.
मैं for ज़्यादा यूज करता हूँ. I am comfortable with for. Yeah, the same thing. They are just different loops that you can work with. But I need to I had to tell you that there is a difference between the while and the do while, and there is a difference.
Yeah. Do while is different from for, and for is similar to while.
Yes,
So in turn, do while is also different. From
exactly.
while.
You are very well aware of the 3 different loops that we have discussed. Applications, inshallah, as we proceed further, we will do it. ठीक है? अभी नहीं, क्योंकि slow and steady we have to learn it. जी. बेटा, we have discussed
ये
loops.
वीडियो देख लेना घर जाके.
It's being recorded. Record हुआ है. Okay. Now.
और भी बहुत पसंद है.
No, not this one.
Time machine
No.
Interesting.
No, this I'll give you afterwards. No. Where is it? No, I made.
तुमने उसको ना खुदा का वास्ता है, कुछ नहीं कहना. नहीं, उससे कुछ भी ना कहना. पंगा लेना किसी को भी. वरना जिंदा वापस आने की चांस नहीं है. वहाँ पे अपने बाबूलाल स्कूल में इन लोगों के सामने निकाल दो। ठीक है ना? उनके सामने ना चैलेंज में देंगे तुम्हें तुम तो बोल भी नहीं सकती, बोलना भी नहीं आता।
Okay, beta, listen. Now these are some activities that I would like you to do with me. मगर मैं करता हूँ कि let me just paste this over here. रोहा बेटा सुन लो, it's important. ये पांचों करनी है, बल्कि इसके अलावा आपने वो आज क्विज भी मेरा करना है जो वेबसाइट पे है, अरेज का, स्ट्रिंग्स का. डू इट नाउ. वो जो क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं होते क्विज के, वो आपने किए थे. स्ट्रिंग्स के नहीं किए,
कौन से क्विज?
वो आपने वेरिएबल्स के किए थे स्ट्रिंग्स के. अच्छा, वो पहले स्ट्रिंग्स के करने आपने. फर्स्ट डू द 20 क्वेश्चंस फर्स्ट, देन विल डू दिस. अब मेरी बात सुनो. I will let's discuss this and I will give you an idea how to do it. Later you can do it on your own. Concentrate. Okay. Create a program that stores the first name. Please now let me know if you have an idea. Can you do it or not? Create a program that stores the first name, the second name, and the age of a person. Output these in a sentence. For example, Simon, you are whatever. You have to store them in a variable.
फ्रंट एंड पे फॉर्म बनाएंगे जिसमें बंदा अपना नाम
नहीं, अच्छा मेरी बात सुनो, मैं कंफ्यूज नहीं करता. That will
और बैक एंड पे concatenate
in is it fine now? In a prompt. You can do it? All of you please, because I just want to save time. हम करेंगे यूं.
एक एग्जांपल करके दिखाओ. और हाउ
अच्छा मैं करके दिखाया, फिर सारी मैं ही कर देता हूँ. I think so. It's a very easy one. I thought so. देखो, variable a or no, variable name is equals to
एंटर नेम. और फिर वो बंदा अपना नाम लिखाएगा. वेरिएबल सेकंड नेम. प्रॉम्प्ट एंटर योर एज और उसके बाद डॉक्यूमेंट ऑपरेट प्लस
name plus age.
नेम. लेकिन it's written Simon Mashood, you are 34 years old.
Name plus age.
Name and then plus you are and then
You are plus
plus
the age plus years old.
Plus years old.
क्या हुआ?
चले सर.
ठीक है.
चले सर 12 भी लिख दे.
Happy now? Okay, right? अच्छा, मैंने कहा 34. Sir, you're 34. I said 54. Say 54. No, I'm 84. Okay.
No, it's 34 is too low.
नहीं, हमने सर की एज का हिसाब लगाया था. मुझे भूल गया क्या लगा.
Okay. Right. So, अच्छा किसको समझ नहीं आई?
मैं समझाऊंगी.
रोहा प्लीज. स्पेस नहीं आ रही.
और ये दो के बाद भी एक और space है.
वो नहीं, उसके पास जरूरत नहीं है. The point is, बेटा बात सुनो. Name is a variable.
क्योंकि वो हर
Now
किसी का
since name is a variable, name को मैं concatenate कर रहा हूँ with a string. That's my string. ठीक है, user defined. That has to be in double quotes. Agree with me? Further, I want to concatenate again with a variable age. Then further, I want to concatenate again with a string. So very simple. मैं plus add कर रहा हूँ to concatenate words, strings with variables.
Prompt is basically when it's a dialog box opens and
A container. आपने contain किया, उसमें store हो गया, and further I can use it. Yes or no? Okay.
ये तो आसान था,
बिल्कुल आसान था, but this is
पर ये भूल गया.
हाँ? बिल्कुल. तो मैं अच्छा ये वाला आप लोग खुद ट्राई करोगे. अच्छा मगर इसके लिए मेरी बात सुनो.
इसमें सब स्ट्रिंग इंडेक्स नंबर.
अच्छा.
सब स्ट्रिंग और
Can you got the question right? You got the question. Substring.
सबसे पहले प्रॉम्प्ट आएगा जो नेम लेगा और उसके बाद फिर सब स्ट्रिंग होगा. बट एक मिनट, सब स्ट्रिंग में
सर की लगता है मेरा चार्जर उड़ गया है. My charger is not working.
कैसे वो जनरेटर वगैरह कुछ नहीं चला.
लग गया. शुक्रिया. Okay.
सर इसका मैं बता देता
I just remembered something important.
हूँ.
It's all being recorded. Okay. Very bad.
अच्छे से हम आपको ये ज़बानी बता देते हैं कैसे करना है. प्रॉम्प्ट देंगे, उसमें इंसान आपको अपना नाम देगा. ठीक है, फर्स्ट नेम का आप एक प्रॉम्प्ट बना लें, फिर सेकंड नेम का बना लें, फिर वेरिएबल ए, फिर वेरिएबल बी होगा ना प्रॉम्प्ट. उसके बाद फिर प्रॉम्प्ट ए का वेरिएबल ए का.
Roha, you can't do it. It will not work because I have not discussed one method with you. You can't do it. आप देखो, I have discussed substring with you,
Yes.
but I have not discussed sub str with you. There is a difference between these two. Beta, please सुन लो. It's very important. Why is it important? How does it work? Okay, let's experiment and see. Please listen carefully. हम दोनों को use करते हैं. So what I'll do is I'll declare a variable a is equals to my touchpad. This is something new, right? And what I'll do is
Document dot, right?
a dot substring, and we learned कि अगर हाँ अगर मैं I'm talking about substring first. अगर मैं substring में लिखता हूँ for example 2,4
5 कर ली.
2,5 कर लेते हैं. The I get is
Is
you get the point. बेटा प्लीज closely listen, it's important. अब is क्यों आ रहा है? क्योंकि वो ये कह रहा है 0, 1, 2. ठीक है. This is how your substring basically works. हाँ? 0 से होता है हमेशा. Are you clear with substring?
yes.
Let me change this to
Sub str. It starts from 2 and gives the next 5 characters.
Yes.
4, same, 2,
Start
same.
from I and
See? We are smart.
ये. अच्छा.
It starts from 2 and gives you the next.
just try
5
mid.
characters.
No, exactly. It's just like made in Excel. इसमें इंडेक्स डिफाइन तब होता है जब आप पहला उठा रहे हो. 5 means now the 5 is 0 index. Did you get my point? Who didn't get my point? देखो.
Then
Who did not? No, it's fine. Did you get my point? Now the question that I gave you, वो substring से possible नहीं था. Because what I was asking you was that you enter a prompt, you enter the name and you enter the surname. And output should give you the 2 initials from the surname and 2 initials from the forename. But the problem is you can't use substring
Everyone has
because
different
exactly. So but substring can come here for rescue because अब उससे काम चल जाएगा.
but can't you do कि substring और वो variable A आपका surname होगा, variable B आपका second name होगा, तो substring में 0 to 1 that would take the first letter of variable A and then एक और substring लगाएं variable B के लिए.
You can try that.
0 to 1.
You can try that.
Zero
You can try that.
Combine
ठीक है, अब ट्राई कर लेना, ठीक है। और उसको हम करेंगे डॉक्यूमेंट डॉट राइट ए डॉट सब स्ट्रिंग और आउटपुट हम कर देंगे उसकी, ठीक है। अच्छा ये भी आप कर लोगे
सर लेकिन मेरी बात सुनिए, हमने वो दोनों में तो कंबाइन कर लेना ए और बी।
जी, तो कर
तो
रहे
उसके
हैं
बीच में
ना,
प्लस लगा
प्लस कर
देना।
देंगे ना, सेम वे।
बी डॉट सबस्ट्रिंग
सिर्फ एक
A dot substring 0 to 2 plus B dot substring 0 to
द ओनली थिंग वी हैव डन इज कि हमने उस पर एक मेथड लगा दिया और कोई फर्क नहीं है। नाउ बेटा, ऑल ऑफ यू, डिड आई डिस्कस विद यू गेट एलिमेंट बाय आईडी?
no.
यस गेट एलिमेंट राइट।
आई डिड।
Oh
अच्छा,
हाँ, आप पोजीशन देते हैं।
now listen, this is question 3 basically, and this is question 4, okay, and this is question 5. आपने शुरू से स्टार्ट करना है, फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग। ये नहीं कि मैं करूँ आप नहीं करोगे, यूल डू इट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, then I'll stop, then you do it, okay? मैं नहीं करा रहा। Can you think over it? How will I do question number 3? I want you to think before I do it.
The word hide there, which is the word show, and hide is
पहले आप बटन बनाएंगे,
अच्छा, 2 बटन बना दिए।
प्रॉम्प्ट होगा ऑन
नहीं,
क्लिक,
अनप्रॉम्प्ट की बात नहीं है। मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि इफ आई क्लिक ऑन शो मी तो हाई देयर नजर आ जाए,
ऑन क्लिक,
और मैं अगर हाइड करूंगा तो हाई देयर नजर ना आए।
ऑन क्लिक हाइड है, और उसके बाद हाइड मी तो वो गायब हो जाए।
आइडिया?
Hide there तो variable on click show
And then on release,
दो फंक्शन बनाने पड़ेंगे। लेट मी डू इट, you'll know it. It's okay, it's fine. अभी हमारा लर्निंग प्रोसेस है, so I will not blame you for anything. All I'll do is function A, ठीक है, and what I'll do over here is let me take this script in my head track so that I don't get confused, okay? Body में आके I'll make a button and I'll name it as show me,
very wrong sir, very wrong.
and then I'll make another button is
Don't show.
hide me. Fine, 2 buttons हो गए। अब इधर आके मैं क्या करूँगा, वेरिएबल A is equals to text क्या था,
Hide me.
कोई भी टाइप कर सकता
Hi there. Show me. Hi there. Hide me.
वो नाश्ता करने के साथ
Get element by ID. I was absent.
That's your loss.
Why were you absent?
Because I was in Islamabad, I told you.
Yes.
You were enjoying there.
Islamabad कौन enjoy करता है? It's such a dead city.
Sorry, you enjoy that.
I mean like इस वहाँ पे ना आपको आधे घंटे बाद पेट्रोल पंप मिलता है. Like what type of city is that?
Very true.
वहाँ पूल भी नहीं है. गाड़ियाँ हॉर्न भी नहीं बजाती. कोई आपको बिलबोर्ड और इस तरह बतिया भी नहीं नजर आते. प्रिंटिंग में तो देखेंगे.
You're so intelligent, we are not.
अच्छा सर, अब मैं इसकी ना हमें वो दिखा रही हूँ.
ये Facebook पे ऑप्शन
Let me show you. क्या होगा? सुनो. It's very easy. देखो. I made a function A. Brackets. Any problem with this?
No.
Parentheses, sorry, not brackets.
Say it
Variable
then.
A is equal to this. Any issue? Document dot get element by ID. मैंने element define किया. Paragraph में ID is equals to me. Paragraph को मैंने एक ID दे दी है और paragraph में कुछ भी नहीं है. No issue. I could have made a table. I could have made an image. कुछ भी हो सकता है ना? Now what I'm saying is, within my document, if you have an ID by the name of me, try to find it from the inner HTML code. I told you before, why inner HTML? because HTML लिखना हम क्या लाइन लिख सकते हैं because there will be conflict between this HTML and that HTML. और inner का मतलब है कि within the inner HTML tags में से ढूंढो, do you have any ID by the name of me? If you do have it, assign it to A which is hidden. Yes or no?
Assign it to A.
A is equals to hidden. हाँ.
तो हमें assign क्या करना है उसको?
हाई देयर असाइन किया ना,
Show me assign करना
ए वेरिएबल ए हमने हाई देयर किया है।
है। ना वो show me का ऑब्जेक्ट है ना A. और वो उधर चला जाएगा।
सर ये तो आपने ग्रे कर दिया है। आई नो तो यानी कि उसमें है शो मी पे ये आएगा,
काम कर रहा है?
hide me पे
Okay.
कुछ भी ना
I made things easier for you now. Is it fine? How I made easier for you? Forget about variable. मैंने किया document element by ID is equal to hidden. Fine.
Yes.
मतलब इसकी जगह जब ये फंक्शन एक्टिवेट हो तो इसकी जगह जहाँ भी ये है उसकी जगह ये आ जाए।
अच्छा जहाँ पे
ये
me
ये
है।
है, ये है, मतलब ये यहाँ आ
बटन
जाएगा।
में जो मी नहीं है।
If I so ये फंक्शन है A, if I click on this, it comes here, यहाँ आता है तो वो देखता है इनर में कोई मी है तो it replaces that with that. When I click on this button, वो इधर आता है, it sees कि मी है तो वहाँ null value दे दे,
तो नन वैल्यू जो है
आ
वो
जाती
हाइडर
है।
को रिप्लेस कर देगी ना।
ठीक है? So whenever we have to use functions, they have to be used on an event. Event क्या होते हैं? Loading of a page, unloading of a page, roll over of image, click on a button. ये सारे events हैं आपके. And a dynamic website should have lots of events चल रहे होते हैं. Facebook के पेज में भी.
Sir, is
It's
it
the beginning of
necessary?
scripting, basically. Yes.
Is it necessary that me has to be written in the paragraph? Like अगर बटन में शो है खाली, या हमने सिर्फ बैकएंड पे नहीं लिखा है।
आईडी साइन
कहीं भी हो सकता है. HTML आप एक पेज बना रहे हो, वेब पेज.
अच्छा ये पैराग्राफ की टैग में आपने
H1 में डाल दो, H2 में डाल दो, H3 में डाल दो, टेबल में डाल दो, फॉन्ट की
ID
टैग में डाल दो, कहीं भी डाल दो.
ID
But it has to be within inner HTML tags. Inner HTML tag in the body. Very good. You get the point.
Yes.
It wasn't tough, was it?
No.
But this is what we have to practice. Okay? There will be time after 1-2 weeks. क्योंकि मैं चाहता हूँ मेजर पोर्शन आपका जावास्क्रिप्ट का मैं A1 में करा दूँ, A2 में हम एडवांस प्रैक्टिस और कर देंगे. Okay? I give you a problem, you think over it right away, and you can find a solution. मगर इसमें thinking ability बहुत involved है.
बहुत ज़्यादा important है। सही तो बिल्कुल समझ नहीं आया इस तरह।
It's one of the toughest modules. इसलिए मैं आपको पहले करा रहा हूँ. मैं A2 में नहीं लेके जा सकता मॉड्यूल.
चलिए सर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं।
नहीं, अब बाकी अब आप.
नहीं पहले
अच्छा, बात सुनिए, hold on. एक सेकंड.
Yes sir.
No, she's explaining her. No, it's okay. Sure?
सर हम यहाँ पे लूप नहीं यूज कर सकते ऐसे।
बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं, मगर अभी इस एग्जांपल के लिए नहीं. वो लूप ये यूज कर सकते हैं कि मैं बटन पे क्लिक करूँ, प्रॉम्प्ट आए, हाउ मेनी टाइम्स डू यू वांट टेक्स्ट टू अपीयर, मैं लिखूँ 10 तो 10 टाइम्स टेक्स्ट अपीयर हो जाए.
वो नहीं लूप नहीं लगाना।
अब करेंगे. यू आस्क मी क्वेश्चन, मैंने कहा ऐसा क्वेश्चन कर लेंगे.
नहीं सर ऐसे देखिए। अगर
नहीं,
हमारे पास space
अच्छा.
है, हम उसको replace कर दें में hide.
बहुत लंबा काम कर रहे हैं. Come on. Does it? No. Simply no.
चलिए सर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पढ़ते हैं।
खतीजा, बीनेश, बेटा वसना, और इज इट क्लियर? आर यू श्योर? अच्छा, जो मेरा अगला क्वेश्चन है ना,
Yes sir. वो क्या है?
बेटा हटा लूँ. देखो ये भी आप कर लोगे. लास्ट वाला देखोगे, राइट ए स्क्रिप्ट दैट विल रिप्लेस एन इमेज ऑन ए पेज बाय सम टेक्स्ट. यू हैव एन इमेज एंड यू रिप्लेस बाय टेक्स्ट. इसमें सिर्फ इशू ये आएगा कि जो इमेज का टैग है ना उसकी आईडी रिकग्नाइज नहीं होती. तो इसका बड़ा सिंपल सोल्यूशन है. इमेज के जो टैग है ना उसको इनकैप्सुलेट कर दो इन पैराग्राफ टैग या H1 टैग, और उसमें कुछ ना लिखो. मतलब इमेज के टैग से पहले लिख दो P और उसको आईडी दे दो, तो जब P को एक्टिवेट होगा तो इमेज आएगी नहीं आएगी, दैट वाज ओनली कैच।
बटन लगाना।
सेम प्रोसेस,
अच्छा तो ऊपर वाले
सेम
में
प्रोसेस,
बटन
सिर्फ
फोल्ड-
ये है कि इमेज के अंदर आईडी रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं होती, इसलिए मैंने क्वेश्चन बनाया है टू मेक श्योर ऑफ इट कि आपको ये बात याद रहे। मैं प्रिंट कर दूँ तो मैं बाकी सारे प्रिंट करके आपको दे रहा हूँ, ठीक है? गिव मी 5 मिनट्स। ठीक है, अब ब्रेक लो, मैं सारे प्रिंट्स कर दूँ। अब ब्रेक ले लो क्योंकि दिस विल टेक 5 मिनट्स टू प्रिंट ऑल दिस।
Then a question for the have button में prompt आएगा enter number
नॉट लेटर प्लीज, नॉट लेटर, क्योंकि काम बहुत पड़ा है।
सर घर कब जाएंगे हम?
3 o'clock।
सर चलो 10 मिनट पहले छोड़ दें। अल्लाह। सर रिकॉर्डिंग तो बंद कर दो।
Oh, sorry, you're right. I'm sorry. Stop.